all over DOL, getting folks who are involved in processing back into the game. This is just the surge before it hits our hospital beds has hit our unemployment claims. As you know, our computer system has peaked out on several times just because it capped out there. So we're going to do everything we can to make sure that speeds up. And I guarantee you he's not going to be denied any resources he needs to make sure our people are taken care of.
Does this expose a weakness in what the state had as far as the computer system and so forth?
Yes.
I think Josh is dying to say something about that.
Want me to keep going, Josh?
I think. So I'm Josh Jabal, Chief Operating Officer. I think it's worth pointing out that the Department of Labor is actually in the process of implementing a brand new system for unemployment insurance with a plan to go live around this time next year before this all hits. So there was a very well-known issue that we needed to upgrade our systems. That work is actually a year or two underway already. The timing of this is obviously unfortunate, but as the governor said, we're putting additional staff, we're putting additional resources, we're authorizing retirees to come back. We're pulling every lever we can to work through that backlog as quickly as possible. And we also have the additional layer of some additional benefits that could be coming through the federal bill, things we're doing in the state, which will add additional complexity that we're trying to get out in front of as well.
So this is to get rid of the COBOL system? Sorry.
Yes, the project that's underway right now would sunset that old COBOL system with a new system that's part of a consortium with several other states that we're deep into the implementation process on already.
Two questions for the governor. Governor Ben Goldman with Fox61. First of all, the state of Florida has issued a mandatory self-quarantine for those coming to Florida from Connecticut, New York, and New Jersey. In Connecticut, we see a lot of people coming from New York State, their second homes, whether it be in Litchfield County or down by the shoreline. Has there been any discussion about a mandatory quarantine for anyone coming to Connecticut from New York for 14 days?
Look, the good news is the highways are empty. Metro North is virtually empty. So this flood of people coming in and out, people are taking care of that. I think they're, quote, self-quarantining themselves right now.